Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr. Today we're talking Chevy Big Block. That's right. Internally balanced part number 800-101 is our 8-inch Chevy Big Block damper. Let's open this up and take a look what you get inside. So you have your nice little pillow of foam inside the box. We don't want to forget there is your instruction sheet and your SFI certification. You're going to want to hang on to that. Keep that in your glove box somewhere safe, because when you take this bad boy to the racetrack, you're going to need it. So we're going to open this up, take it out of the plastic here, and take a look at that. Again, black zinc chromate finish. We have all your timing marks, the Fluidampr label, your SFI certification. Again, this is internally balanced. The externally balanced have a half moon counterweight. Now, one of the questions we get asked a lot with these is, I have an older Fluidampr and it's on an external engine and I want to put it on an internal engine. Can I do that? Yes, you can. You have to check to make sure that it has the socket head cap screws. If it does have this, then you can just go to your favorite dealership that does sell our Fluidampr product line and just ask for the hub that is for what you're looking for. Like I said, if you're looking for internal balanced or you have an internal and you want to go external, we do have them with the different key configurations as well. So just be sure to let them know what you're looking for. If you have any questions on that, you can shoot us an email at support@fluidampr.com or leave a comment below, and we'll be sure to get to them and answer that out for you and make sure you have what you're looking for. This is set for the 396, 427 big blocks. A lot of people are converting to 454s and bigger up to internally balanced, and you can surely do that with this one as well. They can be used for any of the Chevy big blocks. If you have any questions, again, just leave a comment below or shoot us an email at support@fluidampr.com. If you'd like to see a certain product, let us know. Be sure to see you on the next video. Thanks.